Hi guys, as I was setting a Shopify store for an artist, I had some little surprises along the way. So I wanted to summarize all the things that were not clear to me while building the site. Also keep in mind, I'm not sponsored by Shopify, I'm just a developer trying to make ends meet. So I take an approach from a customer standpoint. And if I talk about Shopify, it's because there's a value in it. Even if I scrutinize some parts of it, I totally respect the product. If not, it wouldn't even appear on my channel. So first of all, we talk about the starter plan of Shopify, which can be used to sell on social media. You can, for example, add a link to the shop to your bio or connect it to Spotify, which will create a merch tab on your artist profile. It connects also to Meta, so Instagram and Facebook, even if I don't use it because I have my custom Silvershop XML feed. Apparently it works also with TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest and WhatsApp. Okay, so when you land on Shopify, they advertise a starter plan, amongst others. What they don't tell you is that the plan is only available for new shops during the free trial period. So as I was working on the shop, I wanted to select the starter plan, but it was gone. I checked the support and one agent explained the following to a customer. A development or affiliate store that is transferred from a partner is not eligible for the starter plan. To clarify, the starter plan is currently only for new merchants and does not regularly support downgrading from existing plans. The person never replied back and I totally understand why. Big tech frustration. Okay, so that's clarified. You can only have the starter plan if you rush to subscribe to it. And it's not available as a downgrade option for other plans. So if you have a basic plan, but it's too expensive for you at the time, you can't downgrade back to starter. Therefore, know what you are getting into before you sign up. Now, let's talk about the other details. You can work with Printful for the print-on-demand merch. There's an affiliate link down below if you want to try it and support the channel. You have to install a free app that connects to Printful and then add products to the store. Then, if you want to sell on Spotify, you can connect one collection to the artist profile. What Spotify doesn't tell you is that you can connect as many artists to the store, as many as you wish, but you can only assign one collection per artist. Also, you only have one collection in the starter plan, so all in all, you can only use that plan for one collection and one artist only. It's still fair as it's like $5 per month, but these little details add up. Then there are transaction fees, which are higher in that plan. It's 5% instead of 2.1% with the basic plan if you use Shopify payments. 5% is a bit much if you ask me. Higher plans only pay 1.6%, but it is what it is. Something like 3.2%, so a bit higher than the basic plan and double the higher plan would have been more fair, but I'm not the CEO, so it's just my opinion. Now, when it comes to some benefits, you can sell in person, you can get a link to place in your bio, there are no hidden fees from what I experience, it actually works, and it's only $5. Obviously, with all the SaaS platforms, the risk is that one day they decide to increase their prices, so I'm always trying to build my DIY solution. Other than that, it's a great plan in conjunction with Printful, and even if Equid has most of the same features, you can only sell on Spotify using Shopify. So basically, even if I recommend Equid for many cases, they don't have the Shopify integration, so take that into account when making a decision. And for the true DIY developers, there's also Silvershop and WooCommerce, but they come with their own specs, costs, and limitations. Now, do you absolutely need to sell on Spotify or even be on Spotify? That's another question. I don't even try to answer this. Do as you please. See you later. Peace.